Today we got the Oppo A53 4G not charging. We insert the charger and the device is not showing any sample of charging. So let's remove the charger and follow me. Let's remove the back plastic. This device, the pack is from plastic. The device has been opened before, as you can see. I'm removing the pack easily. The adhesive is not strong, so I didn't use any heat, just my nails. Be careful of the flex cable. Okay, it's inside. You don't have to be worried about anything when you remove the pack. Now you can remove all the screws. We have a frame, so we have to remove all the screws in order to go to the subboard. The customer didn't told me what's happening, and for now I don't know what's happening, but we will see what's happened and why the device has stopped charging. Alright, careful and remove all the screws. We have also to remove the SIM card tray. It's important because we are going to remove the frame. We can detach it with any plastic tool, or you can use your nails. This part is easy to be removed as you removed all the screws. We maybe left one. No, it's lost. Alright, we should be able to remove the back. I don't know why it's sticky. Alright, it's removed now. Unplug the battery. I don't know why I left the battery. I can't remember now why I did lift the battery, but maybe because we have the flex is under the battery. We have a flex cable goes under the battery, or I did that to see if we have two flex cable or one flex cable, and maybe that's what I did. Alright, I'm going to put the battery back because I don't know why did I lift it. Let's remove this fingerprint to the side. We don't need it, or we don't need to damage it. Alright, let's remove the loudspeaker part. Oh, what's in there? Let's zoom in. We see some problem in there. The customer didn't mention anything. Seems that we have corrosion in there or liquid damage. I don't know. We have on the flex. We have it on the flex. Alright, let's remove the subboard. It could be damaged. We have too much liquid on it, as on the housing. We have also corrosion or some dirt on there. You can see it's sticky and it's dirty. So let's start to clean. I prefer just to leave the subboard, just to replace it. Now I'm going here to clean this one. This part we may not need to replace, despite of that fire or what hole, I don't know, black area, whatever it is. We have corrosion. We can clean it and we can see if we have any problem with it or not. I think it's good. We will see if we have also to replace it or not, but I think we don't have to replace it. These parts is not easy to be replaced or to get damaged. Alright, this is just the liquid. We have the alcohol. We use the isopropyl. You can use any brush You can use also the teeth brush, but it should be clean and never used before. Let's also clean there. We don't need any dirt or any corrosion to stuck on anything. We have also a flex cable. This is under, and let's the loudspeaker work. We have pins connected from the subboard to the loudspeaker. We have the new subboard. All right, plug anything in, plug the wire connection. All right, I did the mistake. I didn't cut that. I'm going to tell you. I put the loudspeaker, but what I did, I screwed down the screws. These screws was on the frame we removed before. So when I flipped the device, I looked at the screen. I noticed a yellow area on the screen. Oh, I recognized what I did before because I know what I'm doing. So I know it's from my screws. I just put it down there. We have about a maybe 2 mil or 1 mil, and that go under the screen. If I screwed too much, I could broke the screen. Believe me, you can't see it, the yellow dots here, but you can see it when we turn on the device. I was worried if these yellow dots will be on the device or not. So as I told you, you should be always be patient, took the time, think what you are doing, assemble as how you disassemble the device. When will I notice when I power the device on? So I'm still continue. I'm still assembling the device. You see now, oh okay, not now, because I didn't put any screws now, so I could realize that I don't have at the bottom any screws to put. So I started from the top. If I started from the bottom, I should know what I did. When I finished at the top, I go down. Where is the screws? Huh? Yeah, you see what is going on? I'm looking at the screen. We have a yellow dots. I don't know if you saw them, but we have yellow dots. So I removed everything back, removed the screws. The screen was good. Nothing got damaged and everything was perfect. Anyway, that was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will do something else in the next video. Peace.